Pimping ain't easy. Stop playing with me. Alright, so tonight we trying Just Like That. It's located on 5245 Marlton Pike, which is also known as Route 70, Pennsauken, New Jersey. It's Unit E. Alright, so this is my second day in a row doing a review, and I don't know how y'all be doing it. Like, how y'all go and get 6, 7 different things from a different place every day of the week? Like, y'all don't cook at home or nothing, and y'all get 6, 7 things. Like, yo, the way my bank account set up, and what y'all doing with the food? Y'all got families? It's just me. I can't eat all this shit by myself. I'm gonna be 529 pounds. Y'all better stop playing with me. But, all right, let's see what it's hitting for. Let's unbox this. All right, so let's open it up, see what it's hitting for. Jerk chicken sandwich. Yo, this joint look good. Yo, all right, yo, this joint look meaty. Oh, man, it smell good. Yo, all right, I'm looking forward to this, y'all. This look on point. All right, this is the shrimp and salmon Rasta pasta. Let's see what it look like. Couple shrimp in there. See the salmon broken up. Yo, smells good. I see some peppers. Yo, this smells pretty good. Yo, so far so good. Let's see what it's hitting for. I had to change my shirt. Wasn't trying to get nothing on my pink shirt. But let's check this joint out. Bread seems soft. Yo, let's try this joint out. Yo, this joint is on point. The bread's nice and soft. Chunks of chicken in here. I see some yellow peppers. I see some green stuff. I think that's spinach. I'm not sure. But yeah, this joint is good. But let's see what this Rasta pasta hitting for. All right, again, this is the shrimp and salmon Rasta pasta. Let's dig into it. I'm gonna get down here, get some sauce. This is on point too. I can taste the salmon in there. It's got a little bit of spice, not too much. But let's try the shrimp.
I don't want no smoke. I don't think it's possible, bro. I can't go broke. I like to stay up out the mix. I don't want no smoke. I paid it off with all cash. I don't want no. You really good at everything, man.
Yeah. This place is on point, y'all. I gotta give it to them. They doing it in the kitchen, y'all. They doing it back there. Out of all the spots I've been to so far, this is definitely the best one. It's right there on Route 70. It's Pennsauken. Check them out, y'all. Definitely recommend this spot. Look, we're gonna give this 9 big backs. 9 out of 10 big backs is gonna love this. And they're gonna leave with their backs just a little bit bigger.